Hi, I just wanted to go over something with the websites and the database. So this is my website and it's a WordPress build. And if I go to the cpanel for my site, which is generally 2082, or you can get there via cpanel, I used to just search for WordPress and use this site builder. Now if you click this, it will get the latest version of WordPress installed along with the database, which is great, I thought, very quick. But there is a disadvantage to this. So if you search for phpMadmin, this will basically bring back all the databases, and here's all my databases, and you can see that this is what it used to do. It used to create this database with this name and then prefix it with a number. So now if I want to go and find a certain website, then that's obviously, if I don't know which number it correlates to, then it's going to be pretty tricky for me to go and find it. So I'd have to go to each one, and obviously that would be quite laborious. So don't want to do that anymore. So if you go to search for databases instead, in MySQL database here, you can create a new database there, and then you can create a new user for it and a password and assign that to it. So when you've done that, that's the information that you need to add to your WP config file for WordPress, and that will basically allow WordPress to connect to your database and with your custom name. So yeah, that's about it really. I'll just quickly show you as well. This is the database file that I've downloaded. So that's all the content that's in there for the site. And one more thing I was going to show you as well. Oh yeah, if you're working locally, let's say you're using a local host as your domain name first, or perhaps you've set it up in the hosts file. In my case, like simon-design.dev, or simon-design.dev. Then you're obviously going to need to change that URL when you go live. So there's various ways you can do that. One way is you could do a search and replace in here for anything that said simon-design.dev, and then just change that obviously to simon-design.co.uk. So that's one way you could do it. Obviously, with anything you're doing search and replace, you need to be careful that you're not going to overwrite anything that doesn't want to be overwritten. So you could do it that way, or there's another way you could do it, whereas you could import your local database to the live, and then you can run some SQL queries within here, which will basically do the same thing. So yeah, hope that helps. Cheers.